I am going country two-step dancing and have to leave in an hour and 15 minutes. I've been meaning to make this either shirt or dress for a very long time. We're just gonna do a shirt. I have this fabric. I've owned this fabric for over a month and I have gone country dancing many times, still meaning to make this. So come with me as I make a shirt in an hour. Woo! And if I can't do it, then it's fine because I will still go dancing again. Here's the fabric. It has these fun little cutouts. One side of cutout is way longer. This one. I'm going for shorter side, I believe. And then because of the scallop, it's going to be like the top. It's kind of like a tube top, but not a tube top because I'll have sleeves. It's kind of like a crop top. That's the word. I know things sometimes. Anyways, in theory this will be easy to make. Oh, yep. Well, hi Apollo. Makes seeing navy blue fabric really easy, a black surface. Anyways, I already did one. I'm folding this, not scientifically, just letting the fabric seep to me. I also don't want to have to deal with ironing. Sapphire here. So, did I make the shirt in time? Sort of. I ended up being late, which is not uncommon for me. We went to dinner first. So I was late to dinner, but only by like 15 minutes. And then I can make a shirt in an hour and 15. Should I? Probably not. Um, I wasn't able to line it, which definitely helps protect it, and the fabric itself is a little bit more thin. So while I was dancing with someone, he said, "Oh no, I think I just ripped your top." And at the time I was like, I don't see anything, and I thought it was the fringe, but he legitimately ripped the back of it. So need to fix that. And I still have enough fabric that I would like to probably make a dress one day when the sewing bug hits me again. But thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day.